welcome back to Technical Cat. In this video, I will show you how to use lines and rectangles. Let's go into the video. Line. The line is the first and foremost option we are going to see. So if you place the mouse button on the line option, you will see the definition of the line. So I'll select the line and draw 150 mm. tab 90 100 tab 40 So like this we can use the line command. In line command, if you select the line, it is a different segment. So it is not a continuous object, it is a contiguous object. So you have to know the difference between continuous and contiguous. So line is a contiguous and polyline is a continuous. So if I draw the same object using polyline, you can feel the difference. So if I select the same object, so it is a continuous object. So that's the difference between line and polyline. In polyline, you have a different options when compared to the normal line. So if you select the point, here you can see arc, half width, length, undo, width, everything. So if you give so if you want to draw the arc automatically, so as soon as you complete the line, so without going to arc option, you have to draw arc. So at that time you use polyline. Here you can give the radius or diameter and create the arcs easily. So this option will be useful to create a complex drawings. So if you want to go back line, so click the line here. So again you can draw the lines, and now if you close, automatically the drawing ends with the starting point. So like this. So that's a polyline. You try the remaining options. So if you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment section. One more thing, I have posted a notes on this in the description. Please check that. Also posted a syllabus. Please check the both. So this is the difference between line and polyline. And now I have drawn a simple spindle using a line command. So you can select different segments here. So if you want, you can try in the tutorial by opening your software in your PC. So this is a line tutorial, and next one is rectangle. Starting point and ending point, you have to select 2 points. So here also you can see the different options are there: chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. Chamfer. So what is chamfer? The corner edges. So if I give chamfer, I have to give some around 5 mm thickness and 5 again. Now you can feel the chamfer here. So 5 means from this corner point, downside 5 and right side 5. So that is a chamfer rectangle. And next one is elevation. If I click the elevation and give 25, enter, and if I draw the same drawing, can you feel any difference? No, right? So when you go for a front view, you can feel the difference. So from the base onwards, it moves 25 mm upwards. So that is the elevation rectangle. And one more rectangle is fillet rectangle, same as the chamfer. Here also you can give some radius. Fillet, give around 25 radius, draw a rectangle. Now you can see this is a fillet. So this one is chamfer and this one is fillet. One more thing, thickness. If you want to increase the thickness of the rectangle, you can use the thickness, and thickness will be 20 mm, and draw the rectangle. So if you want to see the thickness again, you have to go for front view. Now you can see. And next one is width. If you increase the width, if I give 10 mm width, so the drawing will become thicker. So this is a different types of rectangles are there. So for rectangle also I have made a tutorial, so you can try once. Thanks for watching video. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe, and also press the bell button to get notifications.